You see this right here? You may think it's a real person, but guess what? It's not. It's actually an AI avatar created by the best AI video platform. Allow me to introduce HeyGen. HeyGen is an AI-powered video platform that lets anyone create high-quality videos with ease. From lifelike AI avatars to multilingual voice cloning, HeyGen empowers creators and businesses, yes, even Fortune 500 companies, to produce content at scale. No cameras, no crews, just scripts turned into talking avatars within a couple of minutes. Meet Lalia. This is Puma's 21-year-old AI influencer. She's powered by AI, inspired by a Moroccan creator, and brought to life with HeyGen. You can see that it looks super accurate and super real, and it is something that could be used in so many different ways to showcase your brand as well as promoting your brand. With HeyGen, you can create any sort of video, any sort of AI avatar, or any sort of use case, whether it's a presentation, a tutorial, or even a marketing campaign. AI avatars can bring your content to life with realistic movements and expressions. You can create lifelike, versatile avatars with full control over how they look, move, and interact. You can fine-tune facial expressions as well as movements for avatars that feel natural and engaging. You can easily personalize these avatars as well by customizing the clothing, styles, background. And the best part is, these avatars are interactive, which is where they can talk back, trained on your own data, answering questions, guiding users, and engaging 24/7 in any language. And when I say any language, I truly mean it. HeyGen supports 175 plus languages, and you can actually choose from 100 plus ready-to-use templates to jumpstart your video production. Now, to give you a good idea as to how your avatar would sound in different languages, just take a listen to this avatar.
Tools make scaling video creation easy. Sin cámaras, sin regrabaciones, solo creatividad fluida. 没有相机，没有中拍，只有无锋的创意。
Now, isn't that amazing? What's even better is that HeyGen offers a free tier, giving you access to the basic features at no cost. And obviously, if you're interested in the creator plan, you can access so many different things like advanced customization, HD exports, and extra AI tools. To get started, use the link in the description below and click on the Get Started for Free button over here. And like I mentioned, you can go ahead and create an account with your email address, Google account, or your Apple account completely for free. After you sign up or log in, you're going to be then sent over to the main dashboard of HeyGen. This is where you can manage all of your different video tools that you can use to create videos, avatars. You can upload PowerPoints to create full-on videos. There's an AI script editor and so much more. This is where you have a lot of flexibility to work with HeyGen to generate anything that you would like. You can also use natural language to describe what you want to create. In this case, you can take a look at an example. This is where we can ask it to create a video on the science of sleep. We can simply click on generate. This is where it will work on generating the script. You can see there's two different scenes that have been generated. And afterwards, once you approve, you can click on create video. This will take us to the builder, and you can see that it will then use an avatar to then speak the scene transcript that was generated. You can then change different avatars. You can either create your own, which is something that we'll take a look at, but you have so many different options from professional, lifestyle. You have UGC, AI generated, and community built avatars that you can readily access. This way you can easily go ahead and choose anything that works best for you. So in this case, we can select this avatar for the first scene that will say this statement over here. You can also change the text, add different medias to your video, different elements like shapes, frames, stickers, as well as icons. And then you can also add captions, and after you're ready, you can either preview it or you can go ahead and then generate. Another option is inviting other team members to access your creation. And then after, you can just simply click on generating this video, and then we can take a look at what it was capable of creating. And just like that, it has finished generating the video of the transcript that I had it generate.
Sleep is a vital process that plays a critical role in our overall health. During different sleep stages, our bodies perform essential functions.
And when I say this is the best AI video platform, I truly mean it because you have so many different customization features like adding captions directly into your video. And you also have the ability to easily go ahead and translate into any language that you want from this selection. So if I want, I can change this to Chinese Mandarin. And then afterwards, I can simply translate the script and then click on this button, translate, which will accurately go ahead and translate that video into this new language. And this is now how it sounds within the translated language.
睡眠是一个至关重要的过程，在我们的整体健康中。
Wasn't that amazing? Well, that's just the tip of the iceberg. You have the ability to easily manage your projects within the left-hand panel, but then you have templates. This is where you can readily adopt many of these pre-built templates by HeyGen itself. This is where you can go ahead and access ready-made templates to various sorts of things, from PowerPoints to marketing campaigns, all the way to various sorts of tutorials that you can easily take a look at. For example, within advertisements, there are a bunch of videos that were fully created as templates that you can easily go ahead and access. For e-commerce, you have this ad that was generated. Just take a listen.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm thrilled to have you here as we explore the next generation of skincare. Now, in 2024, we are expanding our reach. Ingredients. Packed with hyaluronic acid for deep hydration lines. Each ingredient is chosen for its effect.
You can see that this is a 6-minute video of an ad of an e-commerce store that was fully generated by HeyGen. And guys, that's not even the best part. You have avatars. This is where you can easily go ahead and replicate yourself as an avatar, or you can access public avatars like we've mentioned. And to create your own avatar, it's super simple. You can click on this button. You can then provide a hyper-realistic avatar where you can go ahead and upload or record a video to create a lifelike avatar with realistic motion and customizable looks. You can also have a custom photo avatar, or you can generate your own with text. To create your own avatar, you need to simply go ahead and submit a 2 to 5 minute video of yourself. Make sure you use high resolution in a well-lit environment. You want to look directly into the camera, pause between each sentence when your mouth is closed, and then use generic gestures and keep hands below your chest. And then afterwards, you can go ahead and submit your files. This is where you can go ahead and you can even upload via Google Drive, which is easy for you to go ahead and upload. You can also record through a webcam, or you can even record this with your phone, and that way you can easily then consent, review, and then upload your footage to create your avatar. I also have the ability to upload my own photos to create my avatar. So in this case, I can upload a couple of pictures of a model, and then I can then have it create the avatar. I can give it a name, I can specify the age, I can then also specify the gender, the ethnicity, and then afterwards it can then be processed as an avatar. Now, once your avatar is ready, you can then have it so that you can add your own voice, or you can even choose a voice within HeyGen. Now, going back to AI voices, HeyGen has a library of 257 different voices that you can adopt, from different accents to different genders to different regions of people speaking. So this way you can add these voices into your avatar. You can also create your own voice from scratch, or you can integrate through different service providers like 11 Labs, and then you can just simply provide your API key and confirm, and then access that provider to replicate the voice. And if you're a brand or a business, you can easily use this tab to upload your brand kit, and this way it will be easier for HeyGen to use this to create the contents that you're looking for, whether it's for an ad or a presentation. What's also nice is that HeyGen has different integrations that you can integrate the AI video capabilities into. Now, as my AI avatar is being built, just take a look at this AI presentation that was fully generated by HeyGen. This is not a real person. This is actually an AI avatar, and it actually has an AI voice integrated with it. This looks exactly like a real presentation that is being conducted by a real person, but little do people know is it's actually an AI video, and it's just insane because HeyGen can easily create, scale, and personalize video content for you. And now we finally have my avatar, Jasmine, that has motion. This is an avatar that was created based off of an image, a single image that I had provided. And not only has it generated the motion, but it also provided me an AI voice through the generation. Just take a listen.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
Now, isn't that amazing? This is the capability of HeyGen. It's not just an AI video tool, it's your creative partner. From lifelike avatars to global language support, HeyGen empowers anyone to create, scale, and personalize video contents like never before. Whether you're a solo creator or a global brand, HeyGen is something that will help you transform ideas into powerful visual stories. So this is something that I highly recommend that you take a look at with the link in the description below. But with that thought, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and got some sort of value out of it. Make sure you subscribe to the second channel. Follow me on the newsletter if you haven't already. Join our Discord. And then lastly, make sure you follow me on Twitter, as well as subscribing to the YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos because there's a lot of content that you'll truly benefit from. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.